Okay, in keeping with our Halloween trinket dish idea, I'll spit it out in a minute, I promise. I'm gonna use some of this Super Sculpey and make a mold of some tombstones. I'm gonna make some tombstones, and then I'm gonna make a mold. Let me start this all over, how about that? Okay, for those of you who have some of the older packaging of Super Sculpey, this is 6 bars. This was 2 bars, so I'm going to start with 8 bars, even though I know I won't use that much. I've got other projects. So let me condition this down, and we'll get started. Okay, I've rolled this out on my thickest setting on my pasta machine, which is actually a 1 on my machine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this piece in half, sort of. And then I'm going to stack them. Now, is that going to be thick enough? I'm thinking no. So we're going to cut it in half and stack it again. Not exactly in half, but pretty darn close. Okay, that's a good thickness. Now, what design do we want for the first one? Normally I'm not all about drawing, but, well, I mean I am, but sketching a pattern. I know it's a simple coffin shape, but yep. Ta-da! Like I said, I know it's a ridiculous thing to, but these angled cuts right here, I can be difficult. It's not what I wanted. But I don't see it. Alright. I'm gonna go kind of far in. And then just run off the bottom, because the bottom will be kind of hidden. And yes, my husband is home again today. He has done something to his knee. Really not happy about it. Well, I'm sure neither is he. Oh yeah. Alright, now. I kind of want to add some detail in there, but I'm not really sure what. Let me look around. Alright. I know I've gotten out more than I needed, but I'm bound and determined to use this up, so this part, whatever it is all that was too much. Just like resin, there's always more of one or the other. Right. Now, I've made this end a little wider. I hope I'm still on camera. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna mash. Now, it won't go down much since we filled in between. I just want to be sure it adheres all the way around so that once the putty's so it's definitely set. It's still a little soft, but I'm gonna attempt a demold. Oh yeah, it's still really soft. There we go. Alright, let's look. Oh yeah, captured the detail really well. And that's fantastic. Okay, now, you need to let Amazing Mold Putty set for 24 hours before you pour resin. It's got a kind of oily residue that it makes when it's curing, but when it's cured, that will kind of absorb back in, so that's one of the reasons why you want to wait. Oh, I'm really proud of that. Alright. I was worried that it wouldn't turn out. Alright. So, I'm gonna wait just 24 hours. Then I'm gonna come back and mix up resin. Now, I haven't decided whether I want to dust it with mica powder or what I want to do quite yet. But I'll let you know that when I come back. I didn't want them to have mica shiny. I wanted them to have a grainy kind of appearance. And I'm thinking this is going to be a good idea. Alright, so I'm going to get ready and I'll be back with my separate tub of Resincrete so we can pour it together. Okay, really quick, because you know we only got minutes. This is just with a couple of squirts of Sigwong metallic alcohol ink, and that is in the brown. And I tried to put a little bit of resin dye, but it didn't work. It just got clumpy. Alright, so let's see. That may add to the effect. pour some little rocks. Hey, don't overflow. More than you think there is in there. Wasting drops on the desk. I hope y'all are. I hope I'm still in frame. Whatever I'm trying to say. Okay. You know, it'll just be a couple of minutes and these will set right up, so I'll be back in 30 minutes or so. Okay. Adding the resin dye was a really bad idea. It made it take 3 times longer to cure. I was beginning to wonder if it was ever gonna. Okay. These little gray rocks. Kind of nervous about this. I'm gonna lift the mold from left to right, right to left, whatever you see, instead of the other way, because I'm afraid of breaking. Okay, all right. Now, once this really sets up, the Amazing Mold Putty, it's stiffer than your average silicone mold. So, like I said, there might be a tendency for them to break. So let's try rolling the mold off of the pieces. Oh yeah, okay. That's gonna work nice. Oh, a mess. All from me being an idiot and adding the resin dye. Oh, but they turned out really well. The nickel silver didn't make any difference at all. It looks almost like the, well, it did because it's not that light. So, alright, those are great. I'm gonna do a little cleanup where the resin is a little rough. Okay, and just to prove how messy I can get, I dusted everything with some of the memory hardware powder from Frank Garcia, which is an antiquing powder, which unfortunately is permanent. So I'll have, you know what, trying to get all this off. But it leaves a really nice effect. Other than right there where it still has ink. And evidently everywhere else. So, probably by in the morning, these will be completely dried up. Okay? They're gonna look really great on the trinket dish. Alright? But that is for next part. Thank y'all so much for watching. The Resincrete, I'll try to make sure it's on my Amazon shop list. Not sure about the artisan powders either, but you'll find everything below somewhere. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.